Meet Starlight, a poor real estate investment trust. Sadly, Starlight cannot afford a basic vacuum cleaner. This tragedy could be avoided. Adopt a real estate investment trust for the low cost of under $1 a day. You can help supply the tools that will make a difference in a real estate investment trust corporation. Call now and make a difference in this billion-dollar company. Only you can make a difference. Be generous, and we'll send you pictures of the CEOs and their families, and you can see the smile and how much you've touched them. Here is Cindy, handicapped, doing what she can to volunteer and help. Here is Linda, another tenant, senior citizen, cancer survivor, felt the need to help. She has a bad heart, has medication, but she felt so sad for this poor real estate investment trust. She had to step in. And here is Dylan, a stroke survivor, partially paralyzed, just had to help, needed to step in. So please call and adopt this poor Starlight Real Estate Investment Trust company. They only manage $16 billion in assets. You can make a difference. Call right now 1-555-RIDICULOUS. 1-555-RIDICULOUS. Operators are standing by.